Natasha, sweetie, what you doing? Yeah, here, you like this? This is the Hello Kitty. Yeah, isn't that nice? You gonna play something? Or do you want to play with the Hello Kitty? Which do you want? You want this? Yeah? Okay. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, yummy. Yep, Dada just left the room. Do you want to talk for us? What do you want to say? Yeah? That's a wonderful doll. Hey! Yay! Are you playing the piano? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, here comes Dada. Working on the TV. Should we play peekaboo? Peekaboo! Natasha, where's Mama? Peekaboo! Where's Mama? Peekaboo! Where's Mama? Peekaboo! Okay, we'll say goodbye for now.